Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond Nissan Kicks with flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail foot pack set of 4, and the WingBar Evo load bars set of 2, offered in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these molded rubber base pads and 4 sets of these contoured metal rubberized brackets, and then 4 of the fasteners. So these brackets and base pads have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet that's included with the fit kit. And those numbers will guide you in the correct placement on the feet. Let's go ahead and demonstrate that with this first foot here. So this is the Evo Flush Rail foot. We'll just go ahead and pull off the outer cover. And inside the foot, you can see we have that threaded post. So what we'll do is we'll take our fitting kit. So not only do the fitting kit have the numbers associated, but they also have letters associated to each individual part of the fit kit. So starting with the first part that's installed, which has the letter A. And so the A would be inserted first. Next is the B, which is the base pad. And you can see there's the B molded into the rubber there. So we'll just go ahead and press that to the underside. And then the next part is C, which is the outer portion of the clamp. And that just hooks to the top and then comes down. And then we'll take our fastener here and just thread that on to hold those parts in place. So the next step is to install the load bar onto the foot. Let's go ahead and do that next. Here I have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. This bar has a dedicated track, and that track can accommodate certain track accessible accessories and carriers simply by sliding the hardware between these two rubber sections. No cutting of the rubber is necessary. That gives you a very clean method of attaching certain carriers, giving you a very nicely integrated way to attach those carriers. So now when it's time to install the foot onto the bar, let's go ahead and take off this end cap. And within the underside track, you can see we have this measuring device. And the measurements actually are not used for this particular install. However, the plastic is, but we'll just tuck that down out of the way temporarily. So here we'll just go ahead and slide this foot on into the track. And then when you do go to take this to the vehicle, you would just self-center and measure that off and manually center the bars over the roof rack system. So, and then you'll pull that plastic up to the inside edge of the foot. So you will have some excess space left over here, and that needs to be filled with the included rubber. Let me grab that. So the rubber just presses against the underside and fills in that gap. Then we can go ahead and return the end cap into place. So that's important to have that end cap in place whenever you're bringing this over to the vehicle so that the foot doesn't slide off the end of the bar. So lastly, when it's time to set this onto the side rails, you would tighten this fastener here, and you fully tighten this fastener until the handle on the included tool clicks. So the way that works is you set this down onto the side rail, you tighten one side about 50%, go to the other side, tighten it 50%, and then come back to this side, and then just keep on tightening until you get a tactile and audible click. It's a firm 4 Newton meters. So we'll go ahead and just take it all the way. That way you can hear that click. Okay, next we'll go ahead and put the outer cover back into place. So this cover has a plastic plug that you can use to hold that cover in place. However, there is the option to replace this plug with a Thule one-key system lock cylinder. So that would give added security for your roof rack system. These cylinders are sold in matched sets. A 4-pack would lock all 4 of your feet. You can also purchase these in larger sets so that you can also have your accessories key matched. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system for the 2019 and beyond Nissan Kicks with flush side rails. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. Please like and subscribe. We have over 2,000 videos on our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those below. Thanks for watching.